Hey everyone, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as you can see, I'm pumped today. I'm in really good mood, and the reason is super simple. It's because, yay, I can now confirm that we can organize the I2Day masterclasses in person in Switzerland this summer. It's going to be August 18th and 19th at the Swiss Tech Convention Center of EPFL. The reason we can do it in person is because COVID cases are drastically dropping in Switzerland, in France, Germany, Italy, all the nearby countries. So we know we're going to be able to welcome you in very good condition. People are going to be able to travel this summer. So this feels really, really great to organize something in person, and I'm really looking forward to see all of you in real life. But we thought about all of you guys who can't travel that easily, and that's the reason why we've decided to update our website and to propose a new type of event. It's going to be a hybrid event. So it means that if you can't travel that easily to Europe this summer, that's fine. You're going to be able to attend online, and people are also going to be in person at the Swiss Tech Center. The I2Day Masterclasses promise to be absolutely amazing because we have the best speakers on earth about innovation. Literally, we have August 18th, Alex Osterwalder and Yves Pinger. These guys, they have sold 1.5 million of copies of their book, Business Model Generation. It's a classic for anyone in innovation. They're going to be here live with us, giving their new masterclass, Invincible Company, about how companies can adapt, be resilient, and create new business models in a never-changing world. The second day, August 19th, it's our god, Jake Knapp, our great friend too, who's gonna come to give his masterclass of Design Sprint, of course. That's the official one. Jake literally has created the Design Sprint at Google. He has so many stories about how people worldwide use the Design Sprint, how companies scale it. So really, if you are interested about the Design Sprint, don't miss that one. As I said, the event is going to be hybrid. It means that you can attend either in person and you're going to work in small group at tables on various exercises, whether with digital tools, but also with paper stickies. And you can also attend online. And in this case, you're going to also work in small group, but with digital whiteboard. And we're going to really make it an experience. We're going to have some cameraman to capture what's going on in the room. It's going to be all live, and really, really excited to put all of that together. It's gonna be 2 days, of course, with good food, good wine, because we're gonna welcome you in Switzerland. You can find here the prices on the website i2day.ch. You can see here the prices for the in-person workshop and the online one. The online one are a bit cheaper, of course. And you can also get the Super Pass that gives access to the 2 days of event and all the networking, of course. And oh, yeah, and one more thing. If you buy your ticket before July 1st, use the coupon BuyCovid because it's gonna give you 10% off on all the tickets. See you very, very soon at I2Day Masterclasses 2021. Cheers, guys.